Hey there welders! Check out the Miller 289715 Digital Infinity Welding Helmet featuring ClearLight 2.0 technology for crystal clear vision and optimized arc colors. This helmet offers a large 13.4 square inch viewing area with a 1/1/1/2 optical clarity rating, allowing you to keep the hood down between welds safely. Enjoy all-day comfort thanks to flexible, sturdy headgear that provides stable support during long tasks. The InfoTrack data monitoring technology tracks arc time and count, helping you manage productivity with real-time insights. With 4 operating modes including weld, cut, grind, and X mode, this helmet adapts to various tasks easily. The Auto Sense feature adjusts sensitivity automatically to your environment for effortless control. Plus, advanced sunlight interference protection and ultra-fast switching speeds ensure consistent performance every time you weld. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.